How to fix battery drain on iOS 18.3. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix battery drain, so make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open Settings, scroll down, and tap on Privacy and Security. Now go to Location Services. If it's turned on, this could be a major reason for battery drain. You can either turn it off completely or limit access for specific apps. For better control, set app permissions to never or while using the app instead of always. This simple adjustment can significantly help in reducing battery usage. Next, scroll down and tap on System Services. Here, disable any unnecessary permissions, keeping only essential ones like Find My iPhone. Now head back to Settings, then go to Display and Brightness. Tap on the Auto Lock option. Set Auto Lock to 30 seconds or 1 minute instead of never to prevent unnecessary screen on time. After that, go back and open General, then tap Background App Refresh. You can turn this off completely to save battery. And don't worry, this won't affect notifications for apps like WhatsApp. You'll still receive all messages and calls. Lastly, be mindful of your network usage. When Wi-Fi is available, use it instead of mobile data, as it drains less battery. Also, avoid keeping Wi-Fi and cellular data on at the same time when one isn't needed. That's all for the video. If this helped, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.